Welcome back, everybody. We are at the Dollar Tree taking a look at some of their early Halloween offerings. I know it's only July, but they've got a few things already starting to hit the shelves. Before we go ahead inside and take a look, I did want to give a special thank you to all of the patrons who help support the channel. If you're interested in becoming a patron, be sure to check out the link in the description below. With that said, let's go ahead and head on in. And now this is a Dollar Tree Plus, which means they have items that are $3 and $5 in addition to their regular cheaper offerings. And you can see the quality difference right away. I'm one of those people that decorate with the Dollar Tree spiders every year. I'm always buying more and more. I love that this is a larger size one that can really amp up the creep factor in your display. And in addition to the black, they've got this one that's got a little bit of gold color to it. And here we've got some garland that's very reminiscent to me of Target. And speaking of that, I mean, it seems like they're taking a lot of inspiration from other stores. I know we've seen this sort of iridescent decor at the at-home store frequently. But here you're going to get it at a lot cheaper price. Like this $3 skull. I mean, this is a little plasticky here, but look at the design to it. Here's another iridescent skull, $3 again. It looks like the mouth can move up and down, but it just seems like a much higher quality than you would expect to find at a Dollar Tree. We have a couple of those skulls in a few different colors. And then what is this, a bleeding candle for $5? Now, that might be an acceptable price, I'm not sure. Seems a little bit high to me. I would rather have that have been at the $3 price point. Maybe that candle with the multiple skulls there might be worth the $5. All right, what's this down here? So we've got a tic-tac-toe, I think, maybe. Not really sure what that is, but the sticker on front doesn't show the actual items in the box, if you notice that. And here we have some crafty items. Looks like 3 tombstones in one for $3. But honestly, it's kind of like at the normal Dollar Tree, you'd find a single one of those for $1, which might be $1.25 now, I'm not really sure. But it seems like now they're taking inspiration from Sam's Club and making you buy everything in bulk. A lot more iridescent skulls and so forth. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of those skulls, but I do kind of think that with my vampire theme this year with a lot of black and purples, they might make an appearance, but these velvet pumpkins, they never, ever will. Though I do like the colors that they're offering this year. All right, what are these guys? Looks like little stand-up figures. They're actually kind of cute, also very reminiscent of Target. So let's take a closer look at one. Honestly, I would expect to pay, more, probably at least like $10 for that in maybe like the old-time pottery store or whatnot, which we'll be taking a look at soon. A couple more, whoops, obviously they don't stand up too well. A couple of different pumpkin patterns there. Oh, and what's behind these? Okay, we've got hands. Honestly, I love these. Offhand, I'm thinking I'm not good at painting, but maybe just paint them black as silhouettes. And if I put some black or purple flowers, the roses that you can get from the Dollar Tree around Halloween, can make an interesting centerpiece out of those. All right, they do have some generic pumpkins in another part of the store. It doesn't look like these are going to be expensive. They don't have a price on them, so I assume they're part of the dollar selection. But no black in the florals just yet. All right, well that really concludes then our look at the Dollar Tree so far this year. But we will definitely be taking another look as we get closer to Halloween, so stay tuned. Dollar Tree always has great things for the Halloween DIYer. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching everyone. Take care. Happy haunting.